subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to another video after a long time I guess. Today I am gonna show you how to make a stylus for your own touchscreen. First take a piece of cotton. Slightly dip it in the water and stick it in here of an iron rod. Stick it in the front part of an iron rod. So I just finally wrapped it. Now let's test it on an actual phone. Subscribe. If you want more like this, please subscribe and it will be appreciated. Thanks for watching. Make sure to try this.